Brynham da, pawb.
Brynham da, Yasmin ydw i a dyma Sam yr ydw i'n un amr ar Urdd Eisteddfod yn Abertawe. Mae'n boeth iawn, fel rydych chi'n gallu.
This is my attempt at translating.
I'm Yasmin, this is Sam. We're here today at the Urdd Eisteddfod in Swansea. It's really warm as you can see, and there's lots of people around. There's lots to do. There's a fairground, there are rides, lots of places to eat from, and lots of stands. You know, we've got promo-cymru here, university stands, even the National Museum of Wales.
We've been going around giving a lot of free stuff to everyone and trying to promote Click as much as possible because Click is important. We've got Diana and Ariel here with us who have been great and supportive throughout the entire day. Yasmin and I are having a lot of fun, aren't we?
Yeah, we've had lots of positive feedback from people interested in Click, and looks like we've got a lot of support here.
So we'll keep you updated across the day, but other than that, enjoy your day, guys. Thank
you.
Hwyl ddaw.
Okay. Oh, and you? Yeah, take it off and put it in your mouth.
Can you get more colours?
You can somewhere, yeah. Yeah, these are doing.
Hello!
Well, you can't give away Click things to everyone. Let's go.
Oh, thank you, Paul. Hiya, Yasmin ydw i, dwi'n yma gyda Click ar y bwrdd yr iaith Cymraeg tent, a mae Ariel yn Sam yn fynd i'r dansios Zumba.
Dwi'n ni'n neud y Zumba? Diolch yn fawr. Gwrwch awon yn Shea. Hey, iawn, da iawn. Diolch yn ôl ys ymlaen yn Tom.
That was Ariel and I doing some Zumba, guys. Courtesy of Click Online and the Zumba guys. Keep posted for regular updates of Click across the day, guys. Hwyl, hwyl fawr. Hwyl.